Okay, good morning. Good day, grade 5 pupils. Welcome back sa ating subject, Mathematics 5, quarter 4, week 3 of our lessons. At the end of the lessons, you should be able to find a volume of a given cube and rectangular prism using cubic centimeters and cubic meters, estimates, and use appropriate units of measure for volume. Okay, so class, we have first our review, directions, find the area of the following figures, write your answers on your space provided. But this time guys, isulat ninyo sa papel ang inyong sagot at kukuliktahin natin sa Monday. So sagutan ninyo yan ang ating review. So find the area of the following given problems. So that is 1 to 5. So sulat nyo yan guys sa inyong mga notebook. So isa-isahin nyo yan given the formula na na-discuss natin nung nakaraang lessons natin. So in finding the area, use the formula volume if it is a cube, side times side times side, and if it is a rectangular prism, volume is equals length times width times height. Okay, so sagutan niyo guys at yan ay chichika natin sa Monday. You have to exchange your work on Monday. Okay, let us proceed to our topic for this day. Finds the volume of a given cube and a rectangular prism using cube centimeters and cubic meters. So let's discuss, review the cube, how to find the volume of a cube. So of course we will use the area of the base times height as our formula. So we know na meron tayong tatlong layer. So we will use the volume times side times side times side, or side times height. The length, which is 3, we have the side, which is 3, and we have the height, which is 3. So volume is equals 3 times 3 times 3. That will be volumes is equals 27 cubic units. Okay, sa rectangular prism naman, balikan natin yung ating napag-aralan. Always remember that 1 cube is a 1 cubic unit. So we have 4 layers, and every layers have 12 cubic units. There are 4 cubes as length, and there are also 3 cubes as our width. So that is 12 cubic units, because 4 times 12 to 48 cubic units. Okay, so volume of a rectangular prism, area of the base times height. We have the rectangular prism. So if we are going to measure the volume, first we have the length, the width, and the height. The length is 4 cubes, the width is 3 cubes, and the height is also 4 cubes. So to get the measurement, we have the formula length times width times height. We have to substitute. The length is 4, the width is 3, and the height is 4. So 4 times 3 times 4 is equals 48. Okay, next is on your notebook, solve this example number 1. So we have the cubes or the rectangular prism, which is 7 centimeters width, and we have the length 12 centimeters, and the height is 5 centimeters. So length times width times height, so substitute, the length is 12 times 7 as height times 5 times 7 as width times 5 as 420 cubic centimeters. Okay class, so let's proceed to our example number 2. Sulat nyo dyan class, example number 2. Jump tayo sa number 3. So instead of number 3, ilagay nyo ng number 2. So we have a cubic centimeters of 13. So the formula that we are going to use is V times side times side times side, or V is equals is cube. So now we have to substitute. So V is equals to 13 times 13 times 13, that is V is equals 2,197 cubic meter. Okay, so let's proceed class to our activity. This is our activity time. So in your other sheet of papers, answer the following using the formula that we had discussed earlier. So that is 20 seconds. The time start now. So sa papel ninyo class, sagutan niyo yan. Mayroon na lang kayong 6 seconds na natira. For number 2, meron kayong 20 seconds. So sagutan ninyo. Ang sulat ninyo ay letter at saka the same time yung buong sagot. That is A, B, C, and D. Seconds. For question number 3, which of the following is not the unit measure of volume? So alin daw dyan ang hindi unit measure ng volume? So A, B, C, and D. Choose the correct answer. Okay, for number 4, a rectangular prism with a base area of 30. Choose the best answer. Okay, for question number 5, a rectangular prism with a length of 7 centimeters, a width of 5 centimeters, and a height of 12 centimeters. Okay, so that's all for today class. Ngayon ay Friday, April 26, 2024. Okay, so again class, ingat-ingat. So pag lumabas, magdala ng tubig at huwag magbabad sa init ng araw. Again, this is your teacher, Sir Zoilo, your teacher in Mathematics 5. Ingat!